Welcome to the next edition of Dating Tips and Tricks, how to highlight and showcase your best personality and how to maybe get some people to actually connect with you on dating apps. Here are a few examples. How can these men maybe improve their profile just a little bit? So I don't know this man's name, and we haven't figured out if he typed that he was 36 or 86. But let's read what he wrote. He says, just looking for a girlfriend or a friends with benefits or a female roommate or one night stand or a living girlfriend or wife. Someone who can clean house, cook for me, and take care of my needs in the bedroom. I don't have kids and I don't want kids. I don't like kids. Religion is an absolute not. I am tired of being alone, upset, and crying all the time. I fight my depression every day. Lots of sex is number one, absolute must. Without sex, you are useless to me. So I don't know this man's name, where I pulled it from. It was already crossed out, but we'll just call him Richard. Richard, who is either 86 or 36, I cannot tell because of whoever crossed all this out. I would say that his whole bio this whole thing just needs to be scrapped. This is terrible. This is not good. Um, Number one, he is just looking for a female body, considering he's looking for a girlfriend, friends with benefits, female roommate, or one night stand, or a living girlfriend, or a wife. He's just looking for a female companion. Um, and it sounds like he wants that female body to just cook and clean and be his servant and to be a bang maid. So I'm thinking that this just needs to be scrapped and that he needs to look into an assisted living home. And yeah, the picture, even if his face was shown, is terrible. And I don't know who is going to connect with somebody that says, I'm tired of being alone, upset, and crying all the time. Like, this would not be pleasant for me and I would not connect. But you guys can weigh in on your thoughts. Then we have Thomas here. Thomas is 77. Okay, this is what he says. He says, older man looking for a woman who is also looking for a man that will share bills with her. I am looking for a live-in roommate. Either I live with you or you live with me upon our decision. We will only have one set of bills. Therefore, we have more money to live a better life. I am not looking to financially take care of someone else's bills and to mine too and mine too. We will share everything and take care of each other. Will love come later? What love have to do with it? Survival first. So this man who is 77 is looking for a caregiver. He's looking for a caregiver because he needs to split bills with somebody. He's doing this on a dating app. So, ladies, what would you say to Thomas, who's 77, who's looking to share bills, and he puts that on a dating app? What love have to do with it? Survival first. What love have to do with it? He is not looking for love. He did put a little heart and some hands. So yeah. This is another one where I believe that Thomas should take his money and probably go to an assisted living situation, because I don't know what woman is going to agree to be a living roommate to a 77-year-old man who's looking to split bills and just basically comes out and say, what love have to do with it? But that's my take on it. You guys go ahead and weigh in. Then we have Rodney Dunn. Okay. He says, my name is Rodney Dunn. He types that he is 51. This man named Rodney Dunn says, I'm 51. That's what he typed all by himself. I'm 51, looking for a submissive woman who aims to please me and take care of all my needs. Must be educated and thick, because those two kind of go together some kind of way. Must know how to cook, because you will be cooking me 3 meals a day. No ugly duck women, no BBW women. Can't wear any weave, lashes, or makeup. Weekly allowance of $100 for the whole week. Weekly allowance. Um, well, mm, mm, so y'all, this is Rodney. He typed that he was 51 And he doesn't tell us anything about himself outside of him being 51 and his name. And you can look at his gold fronts and his very interesting mustache. Yes. And the fact he likes to wear his golds. He got his gold fronts. Now, for Rodney, I believe that his best bet is to take that $100 that he's willing to give this submissive woman and just pay for a meal prep service. I don't think that he's going to get many meals out of that because $100 is not very much money. $100 is barely paying for that much food these days, but that's my thoughts on it. I don't know what women are just running to sign up to submit to being a servant, but that's my take on it. You guys can go ahead and weigh in on this. Yeah, I don't believe that enough of these men have had the opportunity to have someone tell them the truth about their reality. A lot of them are delulu. Delulu. There's no fixing most of these dating profiles that I've come across. Just scrap them all and pay for the services that you need. That's it. That's all. But wait, there's more. I got some audio on Rodney speaking. Y'all have got to hear this. This will explain a lot.
Riding it done. And I'm making this clue saluting DJ Envy for getting on Ebby from K. Williams' ass for lying to the public. DJ Envy, you my boy. I ain't think you had it in you, bro, but you came out with it. You ain't giving no break like you wasn't supposed to, big dog. She bullshitting people, and that's just the way it is. So I salute DJ Envy for being a real G.
Our new book, Ashy Men Will Make You Fat, a petty self-help guide, is available at bourbonbougieshop.com. Now, our book has been out for a little while. Let's take a look at what this woman has to say. Reading towards the bottom, she says, I love how you describe an issue, ashy men will make you fat, and provide a solution. Eating better, working out, reflecting on your life, etc. It's an easy read. Thanks, because I need to get back focused on working out and eating better. Now look at what these two ladies says. I love your book, Bougie. Yay. This next lady says, y'all, this book is great, insightful, informative, funny, and relatable. I love it. Can't wait for the next book. Recognize that I speak in this book in terms that are relatable, they're easy to digest, and it's going to be a good time. Go ahead, check us out at bourbonbougieshop.com. That's bourbonbougieshop.com.